Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learning Through Videos with Pasal. On today's video, we have many kinds of adverbs, and some do not have the ly ending. Let's talk about adverbs without ly ending. I'm Brett from Pasal. Alright, no more waiting, let's begin. Afterward, already, almost, back, better, best, even, far, fast, here, how, late, low, more, near, never, next, now, often, quick, rather, slow, so, soon, still, then, today, tomorrow, to, very, well, where, yesterday. Well, I guess that's enough for today's lesson. Hope you all found it helpful. If so, don't forget to give it a like so we can make more interesting videos in the future. And by the way, we now have a free trial course for new beginners, totally free. So check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm Brett. See you next time.